Yo, check this out. Check, there are 6 cars. I don't know if you can see it. There are 6 cars. So we're going to be doing an insane challenge where I have to jump over these 6 cars and land on this ramp right here. You see that ramp? Yeah. So that's the ramp you're supposed to land on, or after the ramp. But as long as I make it, so let me first show you around before we do that jump real quick. This one right here. It's like for the second bit of the challenge that I may not do in this video, I may do in the following video. There's a curb here, huge one. Then there's this thin wall where you have to ride it with the car up to this point towards the end here, where you have to land on this ramp right here. So now we are up here. I have what poppy money. I don't know why I put it there, but yeah, its use will come in the long run. So let's see if we can get this on first try. Yeah. If you get 20 likes, we're making another video.